Hey guys, welcome back to me again, and then now I would like to read the article, but before that don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. The title is Global Stocks Steady, US Treasury Yields Rise as Recession Worries Persist by Chibuiki Ogu. New York readers global equity market were flat while US Treasury yields rose on Tuesday as recession worries persisted amid concern. The Federal Reserve will continue its steep interest rate hikes despite nation's signal of a slowdown in inflation. The yield curve between 2 and 10-year Treasury notes, viewed as an indicator of impending recession, remained inverted at minus 40 basis points on Tuesday. It seems that the bond market doesn't quite reflect the inflation happening in the economy, said George Young, a portfolio manager at Filler and Company in New Orleans. The world things is steady in the last couple of weeks. Bond yields have gone up and stayed up, so there's kind of disconnect. There's a kind of a question, maybe inflation isn't that bad and we may actually be going into recession. Market participants are all over the place, he added. MSCI's judge of stocks in 50 countries across the globe was up 0.05%. Overnight in Asia, MSCI's broadest index of Asia Pacific shares outside Japan closed 0.07% lower, while Japan's Nikkei lost 0.01%. US Treasury yields edged higher as encouraging data from US retail gains suggested the Fed has room to further raise rates to cool inflation. Benchmark 10-year Treasury yields were at 8,075% from 2,791% on Monday. On Wall Street, the benchmark S&P 500 and the Dow reversed earlier lows and closed higher, with stocks in consumer discretionary, consumer staples, financials, and industrial leading the rebound. The Dow Jones Industrial Average rose. The S&P 500 gained. Composite dropped. Oil price dropped nearly 3% in volatile trading as recession worries raised uncertainty over global crude demand. Even as markets awaited clarity on talks to revive a deal that could allow more Iranian oil exports. Brent crude futures fell 2.9% to settle at a barrel after hitting a session high, with Texas Intermediate crude decreased, settling at barrel after rising to the dollar was flat, pulling back from earlier gains amid expectation the U.S. economy would be stronger than peers in the event of slowdown in growth. The dollar index was down, with the euro up. Safe haven gold fell for a second straight season on Tuesday as an essentially firmer dollar made the greenback denominated metal more expensive. Spot gold dropped 0.2% to $1,774.91 an ounce, while US gold futures fell 0.36% to $1,774.90 an ounce. The dollar was flat, pulling back from earlier gains amid expectations the U.S. economy would be stronger than peers in the event of a slowdown in growth. The dollar index was down, with the euro up 0.1% to $1,017. Okay, my video is all from me. Thank you for watching me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you next time.